Hello everyone, first we should create the folder. We will use mkdir command. The name of this folder will be my new folder. We created this and I want to create the 3 files in this folder, and I will use the nano command. Nano my new folder, my file, first txt. I'll write the text. Hello, how are you? And do you have time to hang out? Control X, we will save this. We will use nano again in order to create the second file. My new folder, my file, second txt. I'll write yes, I have a time. Let's meet together on Friday. Control X, yes, and we will create the third file, nano my new folder, my file, third txt. Here I want to put the text from the article. This article is about the English grammar and the articles, so it's a lot of text. I will put this, and obviously we can say that the size of this file will be bigger than the size of the first and the second file. So Control X will save this. Let's do the comments. First we should locate files by names. We will do this by doing this comment: file my new folder name txt. And here we can see that my file second, first and third, and I think that's because the sorting mechanism treats S as coming before F in ASCII. So yeah, next comment, search by file size. We'll do this by this command: find my new folder size. And I think that the size of our files is not bigger than 1 megabyte, so let's put 2k, and it means that the size of our folder and the size of the third file is bigger than 2 kilobytes. I think about the third file we can say that because we have the text in the third file from the article, it's bigger. The size of this is bigger than the first and the second. Yeah, and this is the reason why the third file appeared here. So let's do the next search by time. We will do it by command find my new folder time. So here we find files modified in the last 2 days. It's our folder, our second, first, and the third file that we did today. So let's sort files by size, and we will use this command: lc lsl as my new folder, and here we can see the number of bytes, and of course the third file is the biggest one because we put the text from the article. So there is 4,361 bytes. The first file is 53 bytes, the last is 50 bytes. It's created in November 3rd. It's the time of creation. This file. There is we can see the permissions for these files. So let's answer to the questions. What are the practical uses of searching for files by time or size? Searching for files by time or size is useful for several reasons. First, it helps us manage disk space better by quickly finding large files that we might want to delete or compress when our storage is almost full. So here is the biggest one is the sort file, for example, and we want to delete this file because we don't want to have, for example, if it was bigger than this one, when we want to delete, for example, this. So we can also easily locate recently modified files to back them up, ensuring that we don't lose important data. So recently modified, we search by the time, yeah. So additionally, searching by time helps us find old or temporary files that need to be deleted, keeping our system running smoothly. So it is useful for tracking changes to files. It is easier to review recent work. Yeah, finally, knowing the size and modification date of our files, it helps us organize them better and make it easier to find what we need when we need this. So the next, how does sorting files help us in file management? So sorting files is important for managing efficiently. When we sort files by size, or we can quickly find the large files. As I said before in the first question, it helps us to decide, do we need to delete this file, compress. Also, organizing files by type or other attributes, it makes it easier to now navigate through folders, especially when they want to contain many items, many files. Regular sorting helps us keep our digital workspace more organized. It reduces clutter on our workspace. So and makes us backup processes smoother, and all of this leads to a better system performance.